What is up, guys? Welcome back to the day two of starting my AI automation agency series. This is technically day three, but I'm going to count this as day two because I did not sleep on day two. The time right now is around 8:40 a.m. for 1st July. So technically it is third day, but I did not sleep. So I'm gonna count it as the end of day two because I'm going to go and now sleep. You can see my eyes, you can see my condition. I didn't sleep, and the reason I did not sleep because I was very busy in the morning. I could not work at all. I was outside, so but I could not, you know, leave things. So I did what my goal was. I was so busy in making front ends, beautiful front ends for my agency, different B2B niches. You know, trying out every tool, Bolt, what was its name, Reptile. I'm not sure what Lovable, and figuring out Supabase. Like I learned Supabase quite a lot. I'm gonna learn it completely. I'm going to learn it completely. I cannot even speak, probably because I haven't slept, so I'm just right all over it. So anyways, that's the update for the day two's ending. And as I discussed in the day ones, I have completed this uh, list about how our agency is going to work, and this list is completed. And today, which is will be the day three, which is our official 1st July, which is the original date of me starting my agency. I'm going to do the step number one of setting up this agency, which is creating a mindset fulfilling environment, which is positioning myself as an expert. Being the boss, being the wizard. If you know Gary Halbert, you know what I'm talking about. If you've seen the old Gary Halbert tapes, I have to learn from a guy named Carsten Fox. His a course. He has a course called Appointments Booking Mastery. I'm gonna take help from that in creating a mindset, creating this fulfilling environment around myself. I'm gonna set up some photo frames. I'm gonna watch his tutorial. Today should be a mindset fulfilling environment day, so not much to go, not much to do in agency work. So I'm gonna use this day to basically, I'm not gonna sleep. I'm gonna wake up at around, like, I'm gonna sleep like for 4 hours or 5 hours, not more than that. And I'm gonna wake up. I'm gonna do this stuff. I think it should not take me more than 3 hours because there are like 4 tasks I have to do. Setting up photo frames means I have to go out and find something and get them printed and put them in strategically. So I wake up and I'm always in the environment because this is the last time probably gonna see me with this setup, because this is actually not my setup. This is my brother's setup, so I don't use this setup. He was outside, so I'm just using it. So anyways, and yes, that's it. I'm going to go down where's my original room. So the next update will be coming from there, and all the updates will be coming from there as well. So there's that. And yes, there's nothing more I have to say. We're going on a really good track, right? I know how everything's gonna go figure out in day two. Basically, I got a lot of clarity, like how the front end is gonna get connected to the back end, how it's gonna be database, and how database will be built. I cannot build it. I have no idea how to build it. I mean, I have no idea how to build it, but I have like a basic idea of like how the thing integrates with each other, right? The libraries and the policies and everything in the Supabase is what I'm going to use rather than Firebase. I was completely foreign to these terms just 24 hours ago. Now I feel I have pretty good grasp of this. I have built like 3 or 4 UI interfaces, and I took like 2 hours to write a single prompt. I gave it so detailed. I put it so detailed. I learned how to actually give prompts to ChatGPT, and I made that, and I just put that into this Lovable and Bolt, and they just literally whipped out exactly the UI, the interface exactly as I wanted. It's amazing. It's amazing what you can do with AI. So, anyways, that's the day two update, and yeah, day three is all about environment, and of course, I'm going to continue learning a bit because I'm gonna complete the Supabase because I don't think I'm gonna take a whole day in setting up environment, which is not a good thing to do. So yeah, uh, day three is gonna be the 1st July. So a lot more about the backend, a lot more about the NA10, and Supabase, how everything's gonna integrate. I'm gonna complete the Supabase tutorial. There are not much to learn on Supabase, but yeah, you can basically look into some playlists and then search for what you need. And yeah, I'm also thinking about learning SQL, uh, like not learning exactly, but just to grasp the basis again. I found a course of 30 hours here, so a lot of things I have done in this 24 hours, and technically more than 24 hours. It's 8:30 a.m. For almost 9 a.m. technically. So yeah, there's the update, and I will see you guys tomorrow. And my goal is to set up the so whatever my environment and backend. Thank you guys.